Hello everyone, welcome back sa aking YouTube channel guys. So, medyo mahaba-haba rin time na, medyo mahabang panahon din na out of social media tayo for some reason. But now, I'm appearing again here because gusto ko lang i-share yung aking opinion or reaction tungkol sa resignation ng Miss Grand International winner 2024 from India, Rachel Gupta. So, it's already confirmed na hindi na siya ang winner, dethroned na siya and will be replaced or has been replaced by CJ Opiaza, no? Ang ating pambato ng Miss Grand International 2024. So, well, first, of course, congratulations. This is the first crown for the Philippines, no? Due to default, so win whatever reason, at least panalo pa rin ng Pilipinas yon. No, congratulations CJ. So you deserve it. However, guys, no, on the other side of the wall, um, from the very start, alam naman natin ang drama ng Miss Universe, no? And according sa, when I'm actually scanning some reactions from fans, no, of MGI, so alam naman daw ng, I think, yung mga candidates naman, pag sumali ka sa MGI, alam naman nila kung ano ang kalalabasan pag nanalo ka sa MGI. Of course, to sustain the resources of that pageantry, kailangan nila magbenta talaga ng produkto, no? So, it's not surprising anymore. So, kay Rachel Gupta, you have to understand na, di ba, yung mga winners talaga, nagsisell talaga sila ng product. So, it's not surprising anymore. Kaya nga, MGI never, unless babaguhin nila yung kanilang strategy. Pero it's really impossible, no? Kasi parang nakaugat na, kasi nakatatak na yan. Yan talaga yung kanilang business, no? So they're just using pageantry as business, not for a charitable pageantry, unlike Miss Earth, Miss World, no? So Miss International, even Miss Universe, hindi na natin kinakitaan talaga ng real or sincerity sa kanilang advocacy, no? MGI and Miss Universe, more on business na lang talaga. So, it's not surprising anymore, di ba? Siyempre, si Rachel Gupta comes from a prestigious family in India, as I've heard. No, ang kanyang pamilya sa India come from doctors, actress, showbiz industry. So, may pangalan. Tapos, mag-end ka lang na influencer ka or seller ka sa social media, in particular sa TikTok. So, it's a very frustrating. So, I cannot blame India has rendered her resignation. On the other hand, CJ Opiaza, no, so I'm not really sure what's the update now. Kung tatanggapin man niya yung kanyang role as, no, as Miss Grand International now. Pero syempre, well, sumabay na lang siguro sa agos si CJ, ano. So, yun na yun eh. Ang labanan dyan, kung magkakapera ka, so dead man na. Kasi alam mo na naman talaga, yan ang bottom line ng Miss Grand International. So, konting panahon na lang naman, I think, ilaban na lang ni CJ, no? Go with the flow na lang siya. Sabi ko nga, hindi na kailangan natin ng i-consider ang Miss Grand talaga na um, ponggang pageantry. So, let's consider Miss Grand International pageant na ano lang, ordinaryong pageantry. So, like yung pabuting-buting nila, huwag na tayong mag-aksaya dyan ng panahon. No, kasi wala naman, hindi naman purposeful, hindi naman worth it ang pageantry na talagang Miss Grand. Ginagamit lang niya yung mga tao para sa kanyang personal gain, you know what. So, ganun lang. Plastika na lang, go with the flow na lang, wag nang mag-spend so much ng monetary, no? So, ganun na lang. Training ground na lang ng ating mga candidates. So, yun lang guys, no? It's not surprising anymore to me. So, Good luck sa pageant ni Nawat, no? So, ganun lang naman. Hindi na tayo nag-expect pagdating sa bagay na yan. So, malinaw yun. Yun lang guys, thank you so much. And yeah, ang pagbabalik na naman ni Biyaherong Becky dito sa mundo ng pageant. Bye!